Greetings everyone, today is January 20th, 2026 and welcome to today's live trading session. As you can see, we are in the Nasdaq in the micro Nasdaq charts, and I will give you a quick introduction about what is going on currently in the market. So if we go to the 1 hour chart, you can see that we kind of accumulated in this area because we couldn't really reach a higher high. But we are also not really going lower than the 24,900 area. And yeah, we are so kind of between these two highs, because between this high and this low, and just accumulating till we get some more momentum to the upside or maybe downside, but I would say rather upside. And yeah, currently on the maybe 50-minute charts, what we can see is that we are in a downtrend again. So we made a high, not a higher high, but a high. And since then, the market just went down again to the 25,300 area. So we are kind of stuck here. And now on the 1 minute chart, so today's trading session, you can see that the market just opened 9:30. As you can see, I already marked it. We have news at 9. It is 1 second at 10. Yeah, we have news at 10 a.m. High impact news, I guess. Yeah, Supreme Court opinion on tariffs. Okay, and yeah, as you can see, we are just accumulating again. I marked some key areas. We have this previous point of interest POI low, so important demand area, and then we got the pre-market low, of course, the pre-market high, and we got another key area, but this one is not really that important as we broke it already twice. So yeah, those are way more important. And yeah, guys, so I will wait now till the market kind of forms a better structure, and yeah, take you with me on a trade. See you later. So guys, quick update about what happened. Wait, can you hear me clearly? So 1 second. Yeah, now as you can see, the market, we made this high here and slowly pulled down again, and suddenly this huge push up. Unfortunately I missed it. The reason why I missed it is because as you can see, I marked this area earlier, so it was like kind of demand. It was a supply. No, yeah, it was a supply area. We broke it, then it went. It turned to a demand area. It was the area I called not important, but as you see, it was kind of important. And I wanted to enter for long right here when we made a higher high, but this sudden pull down, making or breaking this low, made me believe or think, okay, we don't have the momentum, right? So we will go further down, and yeah, it just turned out it's wrong. So I will wait for a better opportunity now. Yeah, let's see what will happen. Okay, guys, first of all, as you can see, I changed my camera position a bit because there are some changes. I'm going to make a better video about it, but there are some changes, so I will just let you know. And also, this is the first time I'm recording a short type video, because yeah, I just changed a few things. So guys, what do we have? As you can see, we had this push up, as you know earlier. Now we reached my my marked high here, rejected it, and went for a huge sell-off. Now it arrived at 1 second at a 0.5 0.6 Fibonacci retracement. It still looks kind of strong, but I doubt that we go higher. That's what I think for now, which means if we reach the 0.2, the like between 0.4 and 0.2 Fibonacci again, I'm thinking about going short again. So I want to reach this high demand area, or supply area and use it to enter for a short. As I learned, don't enter too early, so I could enter now. I could enter right away, but I learned I learned so many times that I just should just wait because the price will eventually come back, and if it doesn't, it wouldn't be a great trade. Because if I would go for short right here, and my stop loss, I wouldn't even know where to put my stop loss, as this would make sense because it would be 1.3 if we would make a lower low risk reward ratio, so way too low. This would be very risky because this is still a high demand. Like we can, like we really don't know whether the price wants to go higher than this. It could be a high supply area, but the price, guys, we don't know. Like this is still the previous high, so we don't know whether it wants to reject this high. And yeah, so this is just both of them are just wouldn't be smart. So that's why I'm waiting for now. As you can see, the S&P is making lower low, while the while the Nasdaq is still struggling, going lower. So let's see what will happen. Okay, quick update about what happened again. It was just a retracement to make a new high. I don't know, guys. It's really interesting that we have this huge moment, like this huge pulls. Look at this. It was like this one was 900 points straight up, and this again 90 points straight up. That's very interesting because I know it's like crazy, so much, and I can't really enter for trades as the market. I don't know. It's like it's pulling up, but I can't really find the entries. Here again, we made a new high, new low, but the momentum wasn't there, and we went straight up. So it's really difficult to predict these lows. I don't know. Interesting. Let's see what will happen. No trades, no trade. Okay, guys. So what happened? We rejected this high again. The S&P is making lower lows, so I believe I will go for a short. I'll wait a little longer for a better. Okay, maybe I should have. No, I'll just wait a little longer. Wait till we really make a lower low. Okay, yeah, it is pushing up again. Now I will go for short. Market sell 2. Put my stop loss above here. The S&P right here, and yeah, let's see what will happen. That's why we always need to wait a little longer. Look at this. Look at this rejection, and oh, now pushing up again. I hope it will reject a new high, but Okay, it looks very difficult. Yeah, it was wrong. I guess it was wrong going for a short when the market had such strong momentum to the upside. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out, stepped out. Yeah, 4 minutes. It took the market 4 minutes. 0.5 again. I guess I won't take another trade today. We are down $170, so I would have for the day $80 left, but regarding this momentum, I just should have went for a long. Let me check. Because of this, I kind of rejected, but I didn't see it. Okay. I guess I'll risk one more size, one more position, as I can't go lower than 200. But let me check when I would do it, because the market looks like we now reached a new high. And if I go in the 5-minute chart, we can see that this is just a straight line up. So I want use this Fibonacci. I will create a new Fibonacci tool, put it here, and this would be my retracement. Also here on the S&P we still can make a higher high. Let me check this. But when we come down here and reject going lower, it could be I could go for a long, and if not, I will not trade. Okay, now this huge push down again. If it goes up straight up again, it won't be smart for me to enter, because I only have one position. I can't I can't enter twice. It looks weak, but the momentum to the upside is still very strong. Yeah, it's just too strong. Look at this. But it doesn't work. Yeah. No, it's not holding. So, this is an interesting area. This is a very interesting area. 1 second. Let me. And of course this one. But this is low probability, I guess. Okay, still weak. We're going lower. Now kind of rejecting it, and now would be an entry, but I don't want to be too risky as I only have one position left. So yeah, I'll wait. We are just at 0.4. Yeah. Okay, good that I waited till, because now you can see another push down. Still rejecting this week. like this area, this blue line I marked here. S&P the same, rejecting it. And this is just a 15-minute chart of the Nasdaq, just showing us this moves, the swings. Okay, the S&P another week down, but doesn't break. No, still waiting. Now a small push up and rejecting again, going down again. Yeah, okay, now it broke. The S&P broke and the Nasdaq soon too. Yeah, the first line is broken, so we wait. Let me check the view up. The view up is still down here, so yeah. Okay, what else do we got? We have the channels, but not really important to me right now, except that, yeah. So guys, you can read a lot through indicators, but they can't, like, they don't tell you the future. They just help you understand the present, but yeah. Okay, I will go for a long here. Let me check. Very risky, but no, okay. It's still, oh wait, if it holds, it holds. But it doesn't. Okay, it broke. Not yet. Oh, again, like it's accumulating again here in this area, so difficult to tell. But the wicks clearly tell us that we have a momentum to the upside. If we break this high, then for long, otherwise we will wait. I'll mark it. Yeah. It looks like it wants to go higher. Let's go for one long. Return to the base. I'll wait. Patience is key. Patience is key because it could change any second. Yeah. Okay. Let's try it. We went for a long. $40 or 60. Okay, I could buy another position right now, but we'll wait. 480, I got 80. Yeah, we will go for another position if we, yeah. Another position. 80 and 115. This is not good at all. Let me check how much, what kind of risk reward we have. 1.5, so I will take, oh no, I got stopped out again, I guess. Okay, let's go to 1. Market limit, sell at 1. Ooh, I hope it keeps, but it looks difficult. Copy paste this. Put it right here and take it to 2. Oh no, no, oh, stopped out. Almost stopped out. It needs to stop me out now. Okay. 2 minutes this time. Very bad day today. Very bad day. The issue is I couldn't. Let me check what the issue was. Nasdaq rejected this. Okay. Okay, 0.5. Okay. So I just went in right before the push down, which means this was just a fake out. It's not really a fake out, but like the demand, I don't know, I thought it would go higher, but 0.6. When would be the right end, like the right entry? $0.6. Wow. I still don't know how to figure this out. What? What just happened? Why do we suddenly break so much? Because of this? Okay, so here we made, okay. So what does this tell us on the 50? Okay. So guys, I will try to put it in words, but so the issue I just experienced is that I thought we are in uptrend, which we still kind of are, but what we see here are like higher highs, higher lows, higher highs until we arrive to this supply area. But the issue is that the Nasdaq, the S&P never made these higher highs. It kind of rejected this previous high, while the Nasdaq made a higher high. So, I learned this once from TGR, so I don't know whether this is real, but maybe it was an SMT divergence. So, one of so while the Nasdaq or the S&P, one of them is faking out. In this case, it was the Nasdaq, so making a higher high, while the S&P is not, which indicates that it is like that the Nasdaq is faking out and we want to go lower. But I'm not really sure about this because I'm kind of confused. Because now it kind of still looks like a structure, but on the S&P, I don't know whether this is the previous low rather than this, but this could be the previous low as well. So we will reject from here and go lower again. Yeah, I will look at this again. I will try to analyze it, try to learn more, because yeah, I got stopped out, lost $194, $95, really bad. The issue is, like, it's not really the money, but right at the time I got stopped out, it was like 2 minutes and 4 minutes, which means I didn't see something I should have seen, causing this huge momentum up and down. I don't know, but yeah, guys, I will learn from this. I hope I will learn. I will go through this again, analyze it, and yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for taking your time watching this video, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to stay tuned and watch more such content. And if you want to support me more, you can follow my social media accounts to yeah, now also watch short form trading videos. And yeah, okay, looking at the charts right now, it's going what is going on? So it was an uptrend. Okay. So, okay. That's so interesting. Wait, that's so interesting, because look at this. One huge move up, another huge move up, and now the third huge move up. And I didn't learn from these two, because I went right in when the momentum to the upside was low. But then, like, we have this sudden pull backs. I don't know. That's so interesting. Bum. Yeah, interesting day. Like, you can clearly see that we have this structure. Yeah. I just moved in like at the wrong time again. But yeah, very interesting. Very interesting to observe. And yeah, guys, that's it. A very long video, maybe way too long. But yeah, I hope you maybe learned something. I for sure learned something. And yeah, again, thank you for your time. I wish you the best. I wish you best luck. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.